I have had dinner. Have had. Why do we say have had? So the first thing that we need to understand is that have had is present perfect tense. When do we use present perfect tense? There are several reasons why we use present perfect tense. The one that I want to focus on today is when the action is in the past, but the time period in which it happened is still continuing right now. So if I say today, today is continuing right now. This week is continuing right now. Right now, for me, it's evening. So this evening is continuing right now. Because it's evening, this morning is finished. This morning is not continuing right now. So because this morning is finished, it's 100% in the past, we use past simple. But if I say a time that is continuing right now, and we're thinking about an action that happened within this time, we can use present perfect. For example, today I have eaten 2 meals. I have gone to the gym. I have taken a nap. I have watched 2 movies. So these are all things that happened in the past, but because we know that I'm talking about today, and today is still continuing, if I don't say exactly what time they happened, I'm probably going to use present perfect tense. And then, how do we make present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is subject, have or has, plus third form of the verb. So, I have eaten. He has eaten. I have gone. He has gone. I have drunk. He has drunk. She has seen. She has read. I have been. This is how we make present perfect tense. So, what if our main verb is have? Have dinner. We need the third form of have. And the third form of have is had. So, I have had dinner. I'm using present perfect tense because I'm talking about a finished action. But I'm talking about something today. And today is still continuing. So the action is in the past, but the time period is still continuing now. So I'm using present perfect tense. Have plus verb 3. Verb 3 for have is had. So we have had. I have had dinner. Have you had dinner?